We are pleased to show you 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.